Hello dear students, welcome to maths class standard 8 exercise 5.2. In that we have seen question number 1, 2 and 3. It's about pie chart. Now let's see question number 4. The adjoining pie chart gives the marks scored in an examination by a student. So marks scored in a different subject, it is given in the pie chart. What are the subjects? Let's see. It is a Hindi, English, Maths, Social Science and Science. If the total marks obtained by the students were 540, answer the following questions. Here it is a pie chart. Instead of marks, central angle is given. Look at the picture. Look at the figure. So what are the central angle? Maths 90 degree, SS 65 degree, Science 80 degree, Hindi 70 degree and English 55 degree. And what is the total marks? That is a 540. First one, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? Hint is given for 540 marks, central angle is 360. So for 150 marks, what is the central angle? It is a 105 marks, not 150. Total marks 540. Okay, and for 540 central angle, it means one complete revolution. Total degree 360. Then for 105 marks, what is a central angle? Actually we need to find out the subject. In which subject the student scored 105 marks? How we can find out? Because here it is given in the degree. You can check in the pie chart. So we have to find out the degree for 105 marks. Okay. Now here you can do cross multiplication. 306. I'm sorry. It's 360. Once again I made mistake in speaking. Then 105 divide by this 540. Okay. Now let's solve it. So this is homework. You solve this equation and you will get 70 degree. You will get answer 70 degree. So in Hindi, the student scored 105 marks. So before calculating all the examples, you can make the table this way. Here from the central angle, you will get marks obtained. So you have to follow one formula. 90 divided by 360 into total marks. For maths, what is the degree? 90 divided by 360 into 540. Social science, 65 divided by 360 multiplying by 540. Next, science, 80 degree divided by 360 degree multiplying by 540. Hindi, 70 divided by 360 into 540. English, 55 divided by 360 into 540 and solve it. You will get the marks here. In maths, 135 marks, social science 97.5 marks, science 120 marks, Hindi 105 marks and English 82.5 marks. Now you will think that why it is marks only? Because here whatever we have multiplied, that is total score 540, it is a marks. So we will get the answer in the marks obtained. First question, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? Find out it in a Hindi. Second one, how many more marks were obtained by the students in maths than in Hindi? Well, Hindi 105 marks and maths 135. So how many more marks obtained in maths? 105 minus 135. It is a 30 marks. Third one, examine whether the sum of marks obtained in SS and maths is more than the science and Hindi. So you have to add SS and maths and science and Hindi. What is the total? 232.5 and 225. So yes, the sum of marks in SS and maths is more than the science and Hindi. Question number 5. The number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Display the data in a pie chart. Once again, here number of students given, we want degree. This number of students we want in a degree to make a pie chart, because you can only draw a pie chart when you have a data in a degree form. So languages are Hindi, English, Marathi, Tamil, Bengali. Total is 72. Number of students given, total students 72. Now how to convert Hindi? How many students speaks Hindi? 40 out of 72. So 40 divided by 72 into 360. Directly also you can write for all the languages 40 divided by 72 into 360. Solve it. You will get 200. So what is the common formula for all? Let me tell you. Here number of students according to the language divide by total student, that is a 72, and you have to multiply it by 360. That is a common for all the languages. For English 12, so here you can put 12 and solve it. For Marathi it is a 9, so put 9 and solve. Tamil 7, here for Tamil put 7 and solve. Then Bengali put here 4 and solve. So you will get 200 degree for Hindi, 60 degree for English, 45 degree for Marathi, 35 degree for Tamil and 20 degree for Bengali. Now you have a degrees and draw a pie chart. 200, so more than 180 degree. Okay, 200, it is more than 180 degree. It is a 200. It is for Hindi. So most of the people speaks Hindi. Next, English 60 degree. So here it is a 60 degree. Marathi 45 degree. Sorry, here it is a 180 degree, 200. Here it is a Hindi. Actually I couldn't see this one. It's mashed up, that's why. Here it is a 45. No, it is a 60 English. Here it is a 45 Marathi. Then 35 Tamil and 20 Bengali. Okay. So approximately you can draw pie chart. So this exercise is over here.